Are you just clicking away and your wrist is killing you? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to take a look at the Innoevol Ergonomic mouse pads, and one of them glows in the dark. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to take a look at some ergonomic mouse pads from Innoevol. Very, very nice. Packaging looks good. You can totally see these on a shelf or on a rack. I mean, it looks like they're prepared for that. So very, very nice. I have two of them, but this company makes tons of mouse pads. So let's open these up. This is what is in the box. They do come wrapped up. So let's go ahead and peel this off. And in addition to that, it looks like there's some kind of protective cover right here on the back as well. So let's go ahead and peel that off too for you, because we know you guys like to see it. And wow. So basically now this has got a lot of grip on it. I mean, I'm putting my hand on it and pulling it down and it's not moving. And just to show you guys, see how easy that is? See how difficult that is? That's awesome. So it should stay in place. We got this nice little shield thingy right here, I guess for easy traction so your mouse will slide over it. But this is really what they're known for right here. Wow. This feels comfortable. Look at that. Very, very, very cool. And I will say, this glows in the dark. So, very awesome. Excited to show you guys that. And next up, we have this one right here, which is not glow in the dark, but whoa. Let me just say, this feels crazy. You know those little like bags of sand you can get that you put in the microwave and heat up? It kind of feels like that. There's like some kind of gel or something in here. This feels fantastic. Look at that. Wow. Huge fan of that right there. It feels super comfortable. Same kind of material here as the glow in the dark one, but my goodness, that feels great. Fantastic. So let's go ahead and try them out and give you some information on them and get to it. This is the Innoevol Ergonomic mouse pads. First up, we've got the glow-in-the-dark one. So ergonomic design, designed with ergonomics in mind. Their mouse pad perfectly fits all types of ergonomic mice. The thoughtful design reduces wrist strain, providing a comfortable experience whether you're working or gaming. Soft silicone material is crafted from a high-quality, eco-friendly silicone, so their mouse pad offers unparalleled comfort. The soft and cushy material molds to your wrist, providing superior support and reducing pressure point. And it's got a non-slip base, so you can keep your mouse pad securely in place with their non-slip bottom design. The anti-skid base is crafted from durable, eco-friendly material that prevent slipping on any surface, and it glows in the dark. So after being exposed to UV light or sunlight, the mouse pad can emit a glow at night or in the dark. Recommended exposure time is more than half an hour, but you can illuminate your workspace or gaming area with an innovative glow-in-the-dark mouse pad. And it's made from non-toxic, eco-friendly materials, and it's smooth and easy to clean. Enjoy a seamless and smooth mouse experience with their mouse pad's PP sheet enhanced surface. So the silky smooth texture ensures effortless mouse movement and enhancing precision and control. But that also makes it easy to clean, so you just wipe it down and it's ready to go. Next up, we've got this one right here, the black on black. It is again designed with ergonomics in mind, so their mouse pad will fit any type of mouse, and again it provides wrist strain support. But this one has a soft, skin-friendly memory foam, Lycra fabric. Their mouse pad is crafted from breathable and soft memory foam, and it's skin-friendly Lycra fabric that conforms to the natural contours of your wrist. The material provides exceptional comfort and support, and it reduces strain from long hours of use. And it's only about 250 grams in weight, so super easy to carry, and it makes it a perfect travel companion. And again, it's got that non-slip base, so wherever you put it, it's gonna stay. And again, it's smooth and easy to clean. It's got that PP sheet enhanced surface on it, so again, it provides comfort and it's easy to wipe down. So Innoevol makes mouse pads that are more than just a product. It's a perfect gift or a work of art. It's designed to provide an unparalleled comfort experience. It's ideal for any setting, whether at work or in the office or during intense gaming sessions. Its thoughtful design and premium materials make it suitable for everyone, family, friends, and kids. This is not just about comfort. It's about enhancing your environment with style and care. This thing is awesome and super comfortable. Innoevol, great job. As you know, everybody right now seems to be using those giant mouse pads, but they don't give you support. Innoevol reminds you that you still need wrist support from your mouse pad. We want to give a huge shout out to Innoevol for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.